So we're just going to make a small little flap here. Don't need a lot of reflection for this partially impacted tooth. And again, this is an older patient, and a lot of times these teeth aren't as easy to move or remove as you might think, just based on the x-ray. Quick buccal trough, and then I'm just going to try to elevate it. I'm using my spade to see if it moves. It moves a little bit, but it's definitely held up. It's not going to elevate out of there. So I'm going to just try to section it. It's a tough angle, but I'm going to try to section it buccolingually. And using the elevator to split it. And when you have a bad split or an incomplete split, you can hear it. And that's what it sounded like. Just going to take that distal crown out. Now let's just work on the mesial root. Using my spade, it moves a little bit. Let's see if we can use a little bit wider elevator, so the 77R. Let's try that. It's moving a little bit. Now let's try the third elevator. I'm going to use a Cogswell B just from the other side of it, and that worked just fine. So the mesial root's out. Let's go for the distal root. I'm using my Woodson to see if I can flick it out. Sometimes you get lucky. Not in this case. Spade's not working either. Let's try the Cogswell B. It worked last time. Still really can't get a good purchase on it. So I'm going to make a purchase point. Now I'll try the Cogswell B inside the purchase point, and that was just enough to get it elevated out of there.